lane for the race. To the lane for the race. Two fly, Dunk Master, MJ the Stuntman, Jay's Custom to the lane, to the race right now.
How's you doing this shit by yourself? But nah, you got to have somebody with you. Alright, man, we at Forever Customs, man. Mr. Console, door panel, trunk, man. Out here in the A doing his thing. Got a couple cars getting ready for the Raw show. Glass house right here. So this is the rear deck for this? Alright. So I'm really just getting started somewhere on this thing. So you got him out the way?
Yeah, he going to do some more stuff to it.
Okay.
Right before the Raw show.
Raw show finna be crazy. Did you go last year?
Yeah, I went last year.
What you thought last year?
Shit was damn sure an experience.
Yeah. White on white.
Cocaine.
Shit still dropped off. We still waiting on molding. Okay. Y'all see what's going on. Let them know what's happening.
Forever Custom, man. You see what's going on, man. This shit forever.
Better believe in Forever Custom.
When I came in it, getting money ever since I came in it. You couldn't stop me if you tried, motherfucker, cause the devil is alive.
Rap like put the plastic on it.
Yeah, shit, man. I still got to go to work.
Right. Be a lot of dust flying.
Oh, you can open it up.
Yeah, I'm like.
Lights on. Grab the key. I let y'all hear the music too. You know that shit.
Yeah, that shit came out clean as hell. Damn, there's a speaker in there?
Yes, sir. It's a speaker and light.
Oh, yes, sir.
Oh, hell yeah. That more should look good for it, man.
Oh, let me pop. I should pop the trunk first. Well, let you use the music.
Man, boy, this shit came out. Ah.
So that's what we're gonna try to do first. That's probably why I ain't gonna. I might still try to take it to your shop.
To for Saturday.
So yeah, to the one Saturday, but that radio keep jumping. Something, I don't know, something wrong with that radio. I don't know if the music doing it to the radio.
Hey, bro, you snap with this one.
Huh?
You snap with this one.
Like that one?
This shit clean as hell.
Two rappers and three singers. She got a few athletes on speed dial. I'm trying to get the case dismissed before I see. Nothing to do
with my little child. I used to tell no back my grandma house is a rude child. All these cameras on fucking with my mood wild. I know damn well this must be common. Let me repair my jealous at the condo.
Put on right, make these niggas change clothes. They ain't wanna let us in this bitch. We had to kick open doors. They take up on us some overtold. Letting over money and ain't no bike, life ain't no bike. Just out here drug peddling. In the back of the roads get towed out. Make a good girl bring a hoe out. In the hills of Beverly, wood full of celery. Whoa, we get fast when it hit the slow, nigga.
Damn vibration.
I know it, right? I like the shininess of this flow though. That shit is hard.
That shit was good as fuck, bro. That one got me home.